Hi, on this video, I'm gonna talk about things I like and don't like about my Emporio Armani AR1990. The box and the case looks and feel more fancy than my Orient Bambino and Seiko SKX. This watch is my fashion watch brand on my collection. This is why I do like it. It's made by Fossil Group. The details of the watch, like the rose gold indices, the textured white dial, the day date function, the case body is a combination of brush and polish finish, the tiny details on the crown and on the strap buckle. Changing strap is easy as this has a 21mm lug width similar to my other watches. The only thing I don't like on this watch is the leather strap. It was a little stiff when it was brand new, and if you're not careful, it might start to flake. Overall, this is a good watch to have if you're just looking for a fashion watch brand that looks good and won't break the bank. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.